lesson plan para sa demonstration teaching na gagawin bukas. So, ito yung gagamitin kong lesson plan. Yan, yung lesson plan na gagamitin ko. Lesson plan in computer system servicing grade 10. So, edit ko na lang ito. Ito na edit. Ito yung objectives ko. Discuss computer system maintenance. Then differentiate preventive, corrective, planned and condition-based maintenance in computer systems. Okay, so dahil demonstration teaching ito, mas better kung medyo hindi komplikado yung topic na gagamitin mo. Gaya nito, hindi siya komplikado. Tapos ng objective ay titingnan naman natin yung subject matter natin. Kalagay yung subject, ang module number, tapos yung topic, tapos listen proper, then prayer, tapos review, and sa previous topic. So okay na ito. I will just call students to write their answers on the board for the following questions. Then when one is answering, the others will have to decide kung they will agree or disagree or they're undecided. So that way there will be a participation from all of the students. You have to make sure that they're engaged even at the review part of the lesson so that they will be prepared for the motivation. Show videos of a well set up computer laboratory because our topic is computer laboratory maintenance. So it is important that we will show to our students how a well set up, how a well maintained computer laboratory looks like. These are the links. Okay. Then another very important is you need to point out the 4A's. We really need to point out, to highlight the 4A's in every lesson. I guess the 2 is enough or are enough. So, yan, para may angat natin. So the 4A's, very important. Activity. Students will be divided into 4 groups. Using the provided materials, every group will discuss a specific computer maintenance procedure using the following means. Okay, so group 1 will have to present through a newscast. They will have the topic is preventive computer maintenance, then the corrective computer systems maintenance, chemical kit, and then planned computer system maintenance, POM, and the condition-based computer systems maintenance, role play. And these are the rubrics: content, creativity, teamwork. Here, in the activity part, So the teacher will provide a reading materials or material or reference for each group. Each presentation must not exceed 5 minutes. So here in the activity phase, we will allow the students to think, to exchange their ideas. We'll just have to give them a sheet of paper, a reference they will read, and then after that, they will be the one who will do the brainstorming, exchange of ideas. In the activity phase, again, we need to let the students think and exchange their respective ideas to come up with their own definition and understanding. They have to discuss it for the whole class, their topic. So in that way, there will be a strong engagement, and we want that to happen because that's where learning takes place. And then after that, after the activity, we'll have to go to the analysis. And I will ask, among the 4 types of computer systems maintenance uh, procedures, among the 4 types of computer systems maintenance procedures, which do you think is the best and why? And then what is the relationship between computer systems maintenance, the efficiency of a computer laboratory and technician? So here the students will have to analyze, use their critical thinking skills so that they will come up with a logical discussion or explanation, especially in the second question that goes how. What is the relationship between computer systems maintenance to the efficiency of a computer laboratory? And of course, you really need to think critically the first question as well. Among the 4 types, which do you think is the best? And they have to explain their choice. So that way, there will be an analysis. You are employing analysis. Then abstraction. Derive the best computer systems maintenance procedure that is suited to Kanangan National High School Laboratory, and then explain your answer. So here, there will be a contextualization or localization in relation to the topic at hand, so that the students will have that sense of belongingness, sense of care, and they'll become more interested because the question is actually talking about the school. And then application. The students will room and assist the computer laboratory. They will write recommendations including the appropriate computer system maintenance scheme that will resolve the listed flaws. The class will consolidate their findings, and they will be given 1 week to apply the recommendations and fix the spotted computer lab issues. So very clear that the teacher here wants an application of the learning. So at first, the teacher wants the students to roam around, evaluate the computer laboratory, and check the present computer issues or laboratory and maintenance issues, and they have to list it down. And afterwards, after 1 week, they have to apply the recommendations. They'll be given 1 week to apply their recommendations and see how things change. So that is the application. Of course, the evaluation. Directions. Answer the following in a one whole sheet of paper. Discuss what is meant by computer system maintenance. Answer must not be less than 50 words. Differentiate the following. Computer system maintenance by procedures by placing the following word clues to the appropriate maintenance scheme. So there are word clues and they have to align the appropriate words to the appropriate computer systems maintenance procedures. They will group them down, the words here. Okay, so below there is an answer key, so that is also required. And then the assignment. Research in the methods of preventing computer systems failure. Okay, so that's it.